Students, today we are going to study about the public relations. We will study the concept and objectives of public relation. Public relation is an administrative strategic communication process. It builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics. It is the practice of managing communication between an organization and its public. Man as a social being, as a person, he or she is related to his or her family and society, and then is a part of different organization in society. So the public relation is like social networking. It's a medium through which any organization attempts to make communication with public. It is an administrative body that involves large numbers of mass to function the administration of education, quality, and other industries. Public Relation Department commands respect and earns acceptance. It is the process of managing the flow of information between an individual organization and the public. Public relations provides an organization individual exposure to their audiences using topics of public interest and news items. Now let us come to the definition of public relation. D. Griswold defines public relation as the management function which evaluates public attitudes, identifies the policies and procedures of an individual organization, and plans and executes a program of action to earn public understanding and acceptance. The management work through the media relations. Media strategies focus on circulating messages through media channels to manage how your business is portrayed by the media. They are like advertorials, social media, newsletters, brochures, and catalogs, business events, engagements, partnerships, and so on. Edward Bernays defines public relation as an attempt by information, persuasion, and adjustment to engineer public support for an activity, cause, movement, or institution. Public relations is basically a management function. It can be simply stated as the art and science of building relationships between an organization and publics. The concept of public relations is an emerging notion, especially in mass communication discipline. The professionals like customers, shareholders, investors, businessmen, government officials, bankers, service agents, pressmen, social workers, experts, and other professionals, the communication must be two-way communication in public relations. The functions of two-way communication in public relation are to help build the trust and credibility with groups. Credibility, goodwill, and integrity is important to our organization. Hence, two-way communication in public relation is to help raise awareness about our organization through communication and mass media. Controls the message, like distributes the message in controlled way, those both inside and outside of our institution. Now we will see Who are the organizational publics and what is their role? Organization publics are customers, shareholders, investors, businessmen, government officials, bankers, service agents, salesmen, social workers, experts, and professionals. In public relations professionals, they are to shape an organization's image. They build up the brand and make the goodwill. They spread the organization's message and minimize the effect of negative publicity. At larger companies or big public relation firms, staffers can have more specialized role to handle different organizational needs. Now let us come to the point, main objectives of public relation. What is the aim of public relations? The aim of public relations is to inform the public, prospective customers, investors, partners, employees, and other stakeholders, ultimately to persuade them to maintain a positive or favorable view about the organization, its leadership, products, or political decisions. The main objective of public relation is to improve mutual understanding within organization with proper communication. Then the main objective is to create understanding, to win over the target audience, to make goodwill or good image. Then the main objective is to take realistic and specific approach, and then the main objective is to take action and eliminate misunderstanding. The last main objective is to broaden the sphere of influence of the organization. That is to broaden the popularity, or we can say goodwill, about the organization or institution. Public relations are to shape and maintain the image of a company, organization, institution, or individual in eyes of publics. Any particular institution, any organization has to have the positive image, goodwill in the eyes of public. Some of the main goals of public relations are to create, maintain, and protect the organization's reputation, enhance its prestige, and present favorable image. Communication plays a vital role in effective public relations. It's a very important to communicate between both parties. As earlier I said, it must be two-way. There must be two-way communication in public relation, so that both organizations are on the same page on understanding level. Communication needs to have a strong influence on the target market for them to remain loyal to that brand or that particular organization. Students, if you have any doubt, please write in comment box or email me. My email ID is chandan.mishra@pathak.edu.in. Thank you.